Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. Today we are doing from grade 1. The poem name is Bus Bus Naga. Okay? Bus Bus Naga. What do you mean by Naga? Naga means snake, children. Naga means what? Snake. Bus Bus Naga. So Naga. So the snake, how it will do the sound? Bus Bus. That one. Okay? So let's start. Everyone please take out your textbook. This is your textbook, Kannada textbook, right? Take out this textbook, okay, and open page number 62. Page number 62. Okay, so let's start, children. Please read with me. Bus Bus Naga Bani Bega. Bus Bus Naga Bani Bega. Bus Bus Naga, hey Bus Bus Naga, come fast. Bani Bega means come fast. Hey Bus Bus Naga, you come fast. Okay? Halanu ninage tandiruve. Halanu means milk. Ninage means for you. Tandiruve means I bought. What I bought for you? I bought milk for you. So the little girl is talking to the snake, telling to the snake in this poem. Okay? Bus Bus Naga Bani Bega Halanu ninage tandiruve. Hey Bus Bus Naga, come fast. I have bought, what I have bought? I have bought milk for you. Second stanza. Ninnanu noduva aseya hottu. Ninnanu noduva aseya hottu. Ase means what, children? The wish, the desire. Ninnanu noduva, with a desire to see you. With a desire to see you. ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ ಆಸೆಯ ಹೊತ್ತು, ವಿತ್ ಅ ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು. ನಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವೆ. ನಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವೆ. It means what? With a desire or wish to see you, I came here. ನಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವೆ. It means I came here. ಹೊಳಪಿನ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸುತ್ತ ಬಾಬಾ. ಹೊಳಪಿನ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸುತ್ತ ಬಾಬಾ. ಹೊಳಪಿನ means what, children? The shiny. Okay, the shiny or the brightness, that one will say Holapina Mayanu. May means body. His body, the snake body. Okay, so what she is telling? Holapina Mayanu Harisutta Baba. So come on with crawling your brightness or glossy body. Like this crawl, it will snake, it will crawl like this. No, children, that one will call it as a Harisutta. They are telling in this. Okay, Holapina Mayanu Harisutta Baba. ಅಂದದ ಹೆಡೆಯನ್ನು ಅರಳಿಸಿ ಬಾಬಾ. ಅಂದದ means beautiful. Hede means the snake hoodie. This one will call it as a hede. Okay, this one will call it as a hede. ಅಂದದ ಹೆಡೆಯನ್ನು ಅರಳಿಸಿ ಬಾಬಾ. ಅರಳಿಸಿ means the spread or a bloom or a choke or a blossom. Okay, so you just, if it is snake is like this, no, children, he is telling, what she is telling, ಅಂದದ ಹೆಡೆಯನ್ನು ಅರಳಿಸಿ ಬಾಬಾ. ಅಂದದ ಹೆಡೆಯನ್ನು ಅರಳಿಸಿ ಬಾಬಾ. Like this, the snake hoodie will be like this, no? Like that. ಬುಸ್ ಬುಸ್ ಎನ್ನದೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಾಬಾ. ಬುಸ್ ಬುಸ್ ಎನ್ನದೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಾಬಾ. So whenever the snake will come, no, children, it will make a sound, right? Bus bus, like that. She is telling, don't make any sound, just come silently. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಾಬಾ means come silently, don't make any bus bus sound. ಹಾಲನ್ನು ನಿನಗೆ ತಂದಿರುವೆ. I bought milk for you. ಹಾಲನ್ನು means milk, ನಿನಗೆ means for you, ತಂದಿರುವೆ means bought. I bought milk for you. You please come silently. Don't do bus bus sound. ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ ಆಸೆಯ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವೆ. So the same, this second stanza and the fifth stanza are same, children. You can see here, right? ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ ಆಸೆಯ ಹೊತ್ತು. ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ ಆಸೆಯ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವೆ. With a desire to see you, I came here. So let's start, children. Let's read this poem. Everyone, open this page number 62 from your Kannada textbook. Bus Bus Naga. Bus Bus Naga Bani Bega ಹಾಲನು ನಿನಗೆ ತಂದಿರುವೆ. ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ ಆಸೆಯ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವೆ. ಹೊಳಪಿನ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಸುತ್ತ ಬಾಬಾ. ಅಂದದ ಹೆಡೆಯನ್ನು ಅರಳಿಸಿ ಬಾಬಾ. ಬುಸ್ ಬುಸ್ ಎನ್ನದೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಾಬಾ. ಹಾಲನು ನಿನಗೆ ತಂದಿರುವೆ, ನಿನ್ನನು ನೋಡುವ ಆಸೆಯ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವೆ. Okay, here the important words are Naga means snake, Halu means milk, Tandiruve means bought, Ase means wish or desire, Illige means here, Holapina means glossy or brightness, Mayanu, Mai means body, Harisutta means crawl, Hedeyanu, Andada means beautiful, Hedeyanu means the snake hoodie. This one will call it as a hede children. Okay, the head, the snake head, the snake hoodie, that one. Aralisi means spread or bloom or blossom, that one. Summani ba, Summani means silently. Come, ba means come. Again here halanu means say milk, tandiru means bought. So I have just did here some notes for this. If you want, you can just pause this and you can just take a pic of this. It will be helpful for those who are very struggling to read the Kannada, to translate in English. So like this I have made. Please take a pic of this. Yes, okay. Next I have done here also is the next. Okay, you can just pause the video and you can take the pic of this. And please share this one to the parents who are very struggling to get this, to understand this. Yes, okay, that's it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.